Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a review on my Louis Vuitton Keepall. So let's get into the video. So guys, this is my Louis Vuitton Keepall 45 bandolier. I have it in the Macassar finish, which is the black treated leather with silver tone hardware. I think it's perfect with the black trim. Of course, I have the luggage tag hot stamp with my initials, and this was made in France. I just love this, and the bandolier has the strap. So when you see someone says Keepall bandolier, it comes with the shoulder strap, whereas you can also just buy a Keepall that doesn't have the strap, but for travel it's awesome. To get into my review and talk about this bag, I only shared it once, I believe, when I initially got this. I bought this in Paris for my birthday in 2017, and I've been using it as my travel bag ever since. I use it when I go kind of like quick overnight trips, hotel stays. This bag fits a lot. So I just wanted to share my thoughts, kind of talk about some wear and tear, talk about pricing, all of that stuff. I bought this at the Champs-Élysées boutique in Paris, which is their flagship boutique. So at the time, I paid 1,280 euros for this bag, and that again was in 2017. Since then, Louis Vuitton has had several price increases, but also the pricing is a little different in the European market versus here in the States. So this retails currently for much more than that. I will put the current US price down below, but keep in mind I got this a little bit less because I bought it in Paris. And then I also got my tax refund on it when I was leaving, so it worked out to be even less than that. This bag, I absolutely love it. It came with just like the large dust bag that I keep it stored, but I also like to keep it out on display. The Louis Vuitton house is known for luggage. That is what they're famous for, is their luggage pieces. So this Keepall is my first piece of Louis Vuitton luggage, and I purchased it in Paris. So this is a really sentimental, very special piece for me. I will always love this, and I think it just became so much more exciting because of the Macassar print being the black leather and the silver tone hardware. That's just so me, so I had to pick it up. The Keepall is definitely similar to a Speedy, right? It's a top handle bag. It's very lightweight, surprisingly. It's made of the canvas. The leather does go all the way around, and the strap is full leather as well as the handle, so that gives it a little weight, but otherwise the bag is very, very lightweight. I'll make sure to put the dimensions and everything below, guys. The inside is literally just one pocket. There's no organization inside. It's just one pocket, which keeps it lightweight, and that's what keeps it best for packing. It actually helps with packing because you're able to really pack this bag really nicely, and I think if you don't need to pack it that much, it's so lightweight. So I always use this as a carry-on. I think it's perfect, and it actually matches really well with my Louis Vuitton My World Tour Never Full Now. So I have a little traveling kind of matching set. I love the bag. I love the fact that it's lightweight. You can store it flat, so if you do buy it, you can fold it down like this, and you can store it flat very easily. Perfect piece, I think, of introduction to Louis Vuitton luggage. The 45 I think is the perfect size. The 55 I think would be a little too big for me, and then would become too heavy possibly for me to manage. So 45 is perfect. With that being said, I want to talk about wear and tear on this bag. Keep in mind, I mentioned I've been using this literally every time I've traveled since I got it in 2017. I am happy to report my bag is holding up beautifully. I do not see any significant wear. There aren't any sort of issues with the canvas or the handles. The leather feels amazing still and very durable. Any wear and tear on it at all. It's really, really lovely. Obviously this comes with a lock and key as well. here in this little Louis Vuitton dust bag. It's the lock and key. How precious is this? So I never lock it because when I carry this bag, it's being carried like on my person. I'm not putting it down. I don't ever feel a need to lock it, but it is luggage, and if you need to lock it, it does have the key. But I'm happy to report there is no wear and tear on this bag. Like, it is holding up beautifully. And said, if you're looking for getting to Louis Vuitton luggage, I think the Keepall is an awesome entry point. You can definitely find Keepalls vintage and get them at a really reasonable price. So if you're not into the current price tag, which I know is significantly more than it used to be, you'll definitely be able to find Keepalls because it's a classic on the pre-loved market, and buy a vintage one or pre-loved one. I mean, I put everything in here from like shoes to clothing. Like I said, I pack everything from makeup, days worth of outfits. Like, it's literally the Mary Poppins bag where you can put everything in it. And I just think it looks just stunning. It still looks really, really good. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, and sometimes travel. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, guys.